is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I'm so excited about this because I wanted to do a get ready with me featuring JUVIA'S Place, the Wahala 2 collection. But as you know, and if not, I'll link it up above. When I received my collection, there were some shades in my palette that were broken, but JUVIA'S Place sent me a replacement. So I now have all of my items, and we created this look right here using the collection. Okay, beautiful, bold. I'm not going to just tell you, I'm going to show it to you. Now, I apologize because I did use the palette to create this look, so it may not be the absolute cleanest. But, so here is the palette, the Wahala 2 palette. And these are the shades. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Just beautiful. And so to create this look on today, we use the shades ASAP, Oya, Lit, Yab, Fake, and we used Rage. And also for the under eye, we used, I want to say egg bunny. If I'm incorrect, please, and you know the correct, although I will be checking it anyway, the correct pronunciation, please let me know. I will not be offended at all. Okay, and then we also used Yab as our blush on today. Okay, so if you would like to see how this look was created, then continue to watch. as we created this look using the JUVIA'S Place Wahala 2 palette. I love this look. I absolutely love it. Okay, well, I have to tell you, I was so impressed with it. Well, I'll just save it because that's a secret for later on. And we also used the liquid lipstick and the gloss in Petty Betty and Shakara. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, yes, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.